Why is the center of the Milky Way so bright? Is there a higher level of civilization there? As a galaxy containing 400 billion stars, over 13.6 billion years old, even light needs at least 100,000 years to traverse this galaxy once. The Milky Way's age and vastness may surpass the comprehension of most. At the Milky Way's center lies a region 15,000 light-years wide, dubbed the stellar graveyard by scientists. When we gaze at the night sky from Earth, we are looking outward from within the Milky Way. Hence we only see a hazy band of light. This area is densely packed with stars and nebulae, reaching a density of 290,000 stars per cubic light-year. So what force is responsible for gathering all these stars? In 1964, American scientist Klaus and his colleagues, through observation, discovered a bright and intense radio source in the direction of Sagittarius at the Milky Way's center. It rotates approximately once every 11 minutes. Decades later, German scientist Genzel finally confirmed that the Milky Way's center harbors a dense object with a mass about 4 million times that of the Sun. On May 12, 2022, astronomers worldwide released a photograph captured by the Event Horizon Telescope. This is the first image of the accretion disk surrounding Sagittarius, the supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way. Under its immense gravitational pull, the density of stars in this region becomes extremely high. Stars are constantly being swallowed by this black hole, ultimately releasing terrifying radiation outward. However, due to the dense nature of matter near the black hole, even swallowed stars form a superdense ring of matter around the black hole. These rings of matter release gravitational fields outward, attracting surrounding matter, creating a phenomenon akin to a stellar storm. In such a harsh environment, even if planets existed, life would most likely not arise. Under the intense heat of countless stars, all planets would be scorched. Water and atmosphere would be difficult to maintain. The intensity of various radiation, including ultraviolet and gamma rays, would be extremely high. If any civilization could survive, their civilization level would be at least type 3. Consider that life arose on Earth because the entire solar system's location is near the inner edge of the Orion Arm. It's about 27,000 light-years from the Milky Way's center. We are in the so-called galactic suburbs, the habitable zone. We often think we stand at the pinnacle of the universe, but the harsh reality is, human civilization is merely huddled in a tiny corner of the Milky Way, living on an ordinary planet. We are so laughable and ignorant, so weak that we can't even leave our own solar system. The things we strive for throughout our lives, when viewed from a cosmic perspective, become so insignificant. Perhaps this is our human destiny. It seems to tell us that life's existence is merely a coincidence. The universe is a giant cradle, warm, serene, silent, and cyclical. The birth of life is so wondrous, but life's death and disappearance are so fragile.